fortunate one in this world is the one whose mind and body are healthy. So hi everyone, myself Shruti Dua. Today I am here to discuss about how to keep ourselves healthy through spirituality. So when we get diagnosed with any kind of disease, we handle a lot of therapies like Ayurveda, homeopathy, allopathy, Siddha and many more. So is there any method of curing illness through spirituality? Curing through this method always takes a lot of time, and it is always said that prevention is better than cure. If you take prevention, it would be easy for us. If you are practicing meditation and you are diagnosed with any kind of disease, it would be easy for you to recover, as it increases your rate of recovery and decreases the time of recovery. It has basically two aspects. First is the prevention. Meditation prevents 80% of diseases, and second, it reduces the rate of time and increases the rate of recovery. There are many types of meditation that we can practice. By practicing Raja Yoga meditation, we get control over many diseases. So it gives arise to the one basic question, that what is disease? The word disease comprises of the two basic words, dis plus ease. When our body is at ease, there are no chances of getting diagnosed with any kind of disease. But when our body is under tension, there are chances that we get diagnosed with any kind of disease. So the physical and the mental stress of our body are the main reasons for the disease arrival. So is there any relationship between spirituality and psychology? Psychology is the study of mind and behavior. In psychology, there are different branches. Here we are talking about health, so it is basically comes under health psychology, and it mainly focuses on mind, how this mind is, the thinking pattern, behavior, how this mind is playing different roles, and etc. When we are dealing with psychology, we are mainly dealing with our thoughts, our mind. Likewise, when we are dealing with spirituality, like in Raja Yoga meditation, we are purely dealing with how to change our sanskars, how to change our pattern of thinking. Through meditation, positive thinking arises in our mind. It changes our behavior, it changes our attitude, it changes our thinking pattern. How can we cure physical illness through our mind? When for a long period of time we are under some pressure, stress, or there is some tension, or there is some negative feeling going inside our mind, it slowly and slowly start affecting our body too. And the root cause of each and every disease is situated deep inside our mind. When we go for allopathy, it have a very short-term effects. Same way, when we go for Ayurveda and homeopathy, the solutions are not so impactful. But by practicing meditation, we can find out the root cause of each and every disease. Even we can bring changes to our long-term habits. Meditation brings changes to our mental state. And since bringing changes to our mind also affects the physical health, so there are chances that the disease can be cured. When we practice Raja Yoga, our body and mind relaxes, and the root cause of each and every disease is stress. Thank you and hope you like this video.